Is it 44?
Under 44?
I think it's under 44.
Well, then they're ass anyways.
Dude, they're playing the Jaguars, bro. They're bad.
I didn't even know you were recording, man. What the hell?
You know, we try to capture candid moments on the show.
No, I was trying to look at the under. Which one was it?
I would have looked at it too. I think it's 44. I did send you that. I sent you that picture. Welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tef Leezy Fo Sheezy. We apologize for not being around yesterday. I had some scheduling conflicts and I wasn't able to get back in time to record. And just to let you guys know, we will be taking a hiatus until Sunday. I have to do some daddy duties. It is my son's birthday, so we're gonna go ahead and just celebrate. And it's the young bull's birthday tomorrow. Big three. Where has the time gone, dude?
What are you guys doing?
Take them out, go to a little bit of Legoland.
Legoland
in Milpitas. There's a mini Legoland.
Yeah, I've never been there. Nice.
I've never been either. It's gonna be very interesting. We're excited. We're super excited. But that's pretty much it for what's gonna happen the next couple of days. I hope if you guys have any questions about certain plays, it's feel free to DM us. Also, we have a seminar going on tonight. If you guys didn't ask us for an invite, catch us on the next one for next week, right? But John, one question that we didn't get to ask yesterday when because of my scheduling conflicts is Lucid now a buy?
I mean, it already ran.
I mean, is it time to buy Lucid now, though? You know what I mean? It's a very important question, but we'll answer that in a bit. But before we get to it, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Selling your calls after a retrace it's like not touching the bag at first base. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. That makes sense? Yeah, that makes sense. Like, yeah. You're selling a retrace and then you hit like a base hit and it's supposed to be a double, but you didn't touch the bag at first. And then you hit second, and now you're out because you didn't cover your bases. That's a sign.
You're getting creative with these, man.
Huh?
You're getting creative with these,
dude. Didn't you see? That was the whole process from the moment that I called you on this channel right here.
I know.
That's where it came up. Dude, I'm getting better at these. Also, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you like this content, because if you give us a thumbs down, John,
your mom's out.
A full one. I'll drop down in the comment section below. You guys want the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this banging intro.
Yeah.
Lamborghinis.
You shouldn't get a button for that.
I really fucking should.
So should we get a stream deck?
What's up?
Like a stream deck, right?
I do need to get a stream deck. It's one of those things that I need to do. Let's take a look at some member gains for today. I was not able to post my member gains today. I managed to sneak out $85 on this Nike trade.
Yeah.
Terry, is that am I seeing that correctly? $500 on the Nike trade?
No, I think about 140 something, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. No, 170, I think. Yeah.
170? Okay. I read that wrong.
We called that out yesterday.
Yeah, we did. We did call that out. If you guys aren't premium members to our Discord, you guys are missing out on some intraday plays as well. Knowledge hit that 145 on Square. And that is pretty much it for today. Not a whole lot because the market was kind of dipping. It got really quiet towards the middle of the trading session. I mean, I got busy and then there was a whole lot of like nothing happening. It was very boring open to begin with. And we bounced and then we ultimately flushed to the downside. And we're going to talk about some plays that were a victim to that, especially one of our John's and I's supposed swing on SoFi. We're going to talk about our current scenario with SoFi, because it's not all roses up in this piece, right? It's also a lot of different how do you say this? A lot of come to earth moments, a lot of coming down to earth moments, especially on the stocks that we try to get in and out of. Let's see here. It's not popping up. Let's see. Hold on one second. Share screen.
The market's boo-boo, man. We already saw the dead cat bounce, and now we might see a flush.
It looks like it, right? It looks like a flush is about to happen. I'm not overly excited about the flush, John, but it's going to give us some.
We
it's going to
need
give us some. Yeah, it's going to give us some more buying catalyst. Here we go. Here comes SoFi. So SoFi. One bad piece of news from this morning was they were going to release some senior notes, so essentially a share offering.
Yeah,
and that's the reason.
Any offering is bad news, anyways.
Any offering is bad news. I mean, it's good for the company that they're doing an offering because they want to be able to use the capital to
grow,
and make the business a little bit better. Maybe they need to pay off some employees. Maybe bonuses need to be paid. There's a multitude of reasons as to why. Ultimately, it's share dilution for all of us investors. Yeah. And this is this is what happened today. I mean, we've been on this amazing run. We broke this channel that we were in, and now we're sitting at support.
At support, yeah. And you know what? That support right there is which EMA is that one? Is that the 20?
That's the 20, yeah.
Eesh, that is a 20 and the 50 on the day.
It's double, actually.
Yeah, so I mean, it really depends if the market is going to flush tomorrow. If we go sideways, cross our fingers. If it does bounce, I get some money back. But right now, currently, I think I'm down 20% on this one. For this one right here, it's an inverted hammer, so it's called a bear hammer. That candlestick right there with a long upper wick. It's like a Thor's hammer.
It is Thor's hammer resting Mjolnir.
Yeah, it's upside down. And there was a lot of selling today. I thought we had a good first hour because it was kind of like running. It even turned green at one point. And towards the second half, it kind of like just took a dump. Yeah, it broke the 9, it broke the 100. It's sitting at the 20 and the 50. Let's see if it unfolds tomorrow. Most likely, it's going to dip some more tomorrow. I think I don't want to say I messed up on this one because I have a November expiration. I got plenty of time. I have to have 53 days, I think. So I got plenty of time on this one to let it sit and marinate. But I still believe that a huge catalyst is coming. The bank charter. That should be some solid news right there that can propel this stock up. So again, our target price, me personally, is still 21 on this one. Like maybe two weeks or so. But we'll see. I mean, the market hasn't been really nice to us, so there's a lot of short opportunities.
Yes. Yeah. And I mean, there's so many factors, right? You could throw a dart at a dartboard and one negative catalyst will hit. Like, it feels like March 2021 again, because now we're talking about bonds again.
These bonds are never going to stop, man. I mean,
I know. I know. You know what's worse than bonds? Talibans. Let's take a look at the stock that John wants to essentially looks good for a short, and that's UPST, Upstart.
Yes. So it seems like Upstart, Affirm, and SoFi. I mean, I just want to group them in one same bunch.
Fintech.
Yeah, they're all fintech. But it seems like Upstart kind of like got away from the bunch. For this one right here, the reason I'm getting into a short is because of how it finished today. It's an upside down doji right there. So it almost formed a bear hammer. It's resting on the EMA 9. So the only thing that we need is just, another red day for QQQ. The reason I took this trade is because I wanted to hedge for my position, and since I have along with SoFi, this is somewhat a hedge for me, because once it comes down, Upstart is expensive, by the way.
It is.
Yeah, it's expensive. And then I only have one put, and it was like 2,100. 2,100 for the put, and I might do one more. I'm not sure, but the target currently is around 292. That's going to be a huge swing. Upstart is strong. It won't come down.
Strong, yeah. We've been trying to short it here.
Yeah.
We tried to short it here, didn't work out. We tried to short it here, it didn't work out. But now it pierced the Bollinger Band. It's now trading sideways, so we might see it just fade until this Bollinger Band kind of catches up.
Yeah. I mean, that's the plan right now. It's only a starter, so.
Yeah. I mean, we still average up or average down. The next stock that we want to cover is what we put on the thumbnail here, which is Lucid, ticker symbol LCID. Wow. No. It's more like womp, womp, womp. LCID. Lucid right here is a very interesting play. I mean, for those who don't know, it used to be CCIV, which was a SPAC, and they've since merged with Lucid. And from a fundamental standpoint, it looks fairly good. They just had a factory tour for the investors recently, actually yesterday, and they confirmed that they will start delivering cars late October. And I've seen them on the streets. Like I've driven around. I've seen them on the freeway. So I mean, I've seen the cars. It's not a pipe dream. It's not Neo. It's not.
Hey, Neo to 100. Okay.
Yeah, it's not that. It's not Neo. Yeah. So there's what we call proof of concept, right? We've seen the prototype. We've seen the vehicles on the road. Now we're all really waiting for is deliveries, and now we finally have a delivery window for the cars, right? The only negative factor that I see here is that the CEO went on Bloomberg this morning and said that they want to raise more capital. And what does that mean? They're probably going to do an offering, right?
So right now is a good time because the stock ran from 16 to 26.
Yep, but we're still level. We're still testing this level of resistance right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
4 times, right?
Yeah,
so if 30 is really the magic number, I think they're probably going to wait until 30 hits before it flushes down. We are still, higher lows. I mean, higher lows today. We're still fairly positive for the day. And we just, this was a victim of the market overall. Is it time to go long on Lucid? I wouldn't say long on Lucid. I would say that if you're a day trader, trade the strength. And if you are an investor and you really feel that Lucid is one of those companies that could knock Tesla down, which they won't, then you're going to buy the dips, right? Tesla's king. You're really going to go against Elon? Nah. But as a retail trader, a day trader, this is a perfect opportunity for you to find and find value and capitalize on an opportunity. And I think Lucid is one of those opportunities. As of right now, I am currently back in Lucid. I got into Lucid last week. I closed that out for 1,000. I'm back in Lucid now. I have 3 calls that expire on November. So I'm waiting for that delivery number to hit. So once the delivery catalyst is over, I'm out. Right? That's the pre-anticipation.
That's the only news that you're waiting on. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Because that's the only catalyst you're really waiting on. What's next after that catalyst? Share offering. So they have no other reason to keep pumping the stock up, right? They just need more capital at this point because what they're really delivering is not consumer friendly. What they're delivering are the higher end luxury models.
Yeah, man. They really start off with $80,000, right?
Yeah, they're expensive, dude. They're hell of expensive.
Their base is $80,000.
Yeah, super expensive. But I do feel that as a retail trader, there's some gains to be had here, and that's my honest opinion on Lucid. John, do you have anything to add on Lucid?
Lucid dreams. That's it.
Lucid Lucid dreams. That's pretty much it for us today on Daddy Bits. I hope you guys have a great day tomorrow. Have a happy weekend. I know I'm going to have some fun. And make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. If you're new to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active retail traders that have your best interests at heart, hit up friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Drop down, hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up if you like this content, because John, if they give us a thumbs down, big one. Drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Right? Follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C. Trades, Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And with that being said, let's get trading, guys. And remember that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.